There is the bean, guys. Look at the bean. That means we are actually in Chicago. That means that you are in Chicago. The bean. So chubby. He's so chubby. Next tourist location in Chicago is the Trump Tower. Yay! Trump Tower. Woo! The water looks so clean. Look at that. It's blue and green. Guys, it suddenly just started raining for some reason. I don't know why. But we are in oh no, there's a hole. Run, 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 run. Run, run, run. Get in the hotel, get in the hotel. Get in the hotel. Oh my god, it's right there. Come on.
What's that, Cody?
Oh, thank you.
Just call them.
Okay. Okay, this is good. Oh,
It already rained.
it's sudden.
It stopped. See, look how it slowed down.
Alright guys, we're going to the hotel lobby because we want to sit there. Hello. Oh, look at that weather. It doesn't look like it's raining, but it is raining. The view is kind of ugly though. I don't like it. It's the best hotel ever. Okay, here. The very far. The farthest. We don't want to get kicked out or get disturbed. Dinira taoy. Good morning. We're finally leaving the Super 8 hotel. The one that has hair, stains, and others. Finally, we're not getting tortured by that hotel. Hello. Hi, Mom. Mom. Hello. Hi, Red. Hi. Mom. Hello. And Tita. Dada. Finally, can I get the Mac Griddle, please? Thank you. Let's go. Guys, our next stop is Kentucky, and we are now heading for it, and we'll see you in part 4. Goodbye, everyone. Hang on, I can't press it. Okay, goodbye. Love you all.